and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So in this video we have taken another sum on redraw the figure. So this is the question given. First we will draw these lines. We'll start the diagram with these lines. So first I'll draw this horizontal straight line. We will draw it randomly over here, as this is the spot we have to draw the diagram. So this will be the dotted lines which we draw at the center line of the circle. Now the center points of these two circles are situated at a distance of 50 millimeter apart. So I'll mark 2 points 50 millimeter apart. So these are the 2 points. Now through these 2 points we will draw the circles. The outer circle diameter given is 35 millimeter. So from one point we will draw the circle. We'll draw the circle lightly. Now the inner circle is of diameter 20. So these 4 circles we have drawn. The outer circle, as you can see, I have drawn it lightly and not completed. Now draw the center axis line of these circles. That is big, small, gap line, small, big line. Now next, the center line we will mark. It will be the half of 50. That is at 25 we will mark the center line. Again the dotted line. Now next, as you can see, we have the curve of radius 15. Now first we'll decide the start and the end point. So for that we'll extend the circle a bit lightly. Make this outer circle light. Later on you can make it dark. Now we'll decide the start and end point of the curve. So I'll decide it here. I'll draw a parallel line and we'll mark these 2 points. So this is the start and this is the end point. Now on the compass I'll take the radius of 15 millimeter. Keep the pointer, cut an arc on the line. It will exactly intersect, and then through that point I'll draw the curve. So with this I've drawn the curve of radius 15. Next, you can see you have a curve at both the sides also. Before proceeding that, we'll draw this rectangle. It is situated at a distance of 10 millimeter from above. So from the center point, I'll mark a point 10 millimeter below. And we have the thickness of again 10 millimeter. So 5 millimeter on both the sides. Considering, I'll draw a dark line. So this distance is 10 millimeter. As you can see, the height is from here, it is 32 below, and below that there is again 15. So I mark these 2 points. So that will be the height of the rectangle, 32 plus 15. Below also 5 millimeters on both the sides, and you can draw the parallel line and we can complete this rectangle. After completing this rectangle, as you can see, from here above 15, I'll mark these points as there are these 2 lines. The total thickness below given is 20. So from the center, 10 millimeters on each side. So this will be 5 millimeter, this will be 5 millimeter. So the total thickness is 20 millimeter, which is given at the bottom, as you can see. Now I have to draw the curve of 25 radius. It will start from here and end till here. So from one point, I'll keep the pointer, draw an arc. Now where it ends, I'll assume it ends here. Keep the pointer and cut an arc. Same do it over here. I'll assume the start point as this. Draw the curve. Keep the pointer here, draw the curve. Now the intersection, keeping the pointer over there, and we can draw the curve. So with this, you can complete this figure. Now we are done with the figure, just marking of the dimensions, and we are good to go. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section. You can also connect with me on Instagram.